Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to set a laptop to not sleep when closed. By default, most Windows laptops go to sleep when you close the lid to save power. If you use an external monitor, download files, or run tasks in the background, you may want your laptop to stay awake when the lid is closed. Follow these steps to configure Windows so your laptop does not sleep when closed. To begin, turn on your Windows laptop and sign in. Click the Start button, then type Control Panel in the search box. Open the Control Panel app. Click Hardware and Sound. Choose Power Options. In the left panel, click Choose what closing the lid does. Locate when I close the lid settings. Find the option for On Battery. Change On Battery from Sleep to Do Nothing. Find the option for Plugged In. Change Plugged In from Sleep to Do Nothing. And click Save Changes to apply the new settings. Now close the laptop lid and verify that Windows remains running instead of going to sleep. Note, when using Do Nothing option, ensure your laptop has adequate ventilation, especially if it remains powered on for extended periods while closed. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.